If you're seeing this truck on jack stands, don't panic. Nothing's wrong. We're actually gonna fix the most annoying thing I've had yet on this truck, which is the exhaust. I picked up these $40 long tube headers for the square body here at a local marketplace deal, and we're gonna see if these things actually fit on the truck. The fella told me they came off a 60s era C10 truck, so I'm not too sure if they're gonna do the job, but they look all right. But they're 40 bucks. What's the worst that could happen? Now, if you've been on this channel for a while, you'll know that I swapped in this small block Chevrolet in preparation for the 2025 C10 Fall Revival, Denton, North Carolina, and the trek that I made all the way to the Outer Banks of North Carolina for the OBX Truck Fest. So I'll link the videos up here for you guys so you can see it. But when I did this motor swap last year, we went ahead and put factory manifolds that I had in there just to get the truck done to get ready for the events. Was waiting for a good deal, and these $40 long tube headers may fit the bill. Got the truck up on jack stands to get it up as high as I can. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these factory manifolds, get them off. We're gonna see if these headers fit first. Now, don't get me wrong, this looks really good. I wanted to have a nice OEM plus look to the truck because the engine bay looks clean, motor sounds great. Manifolds, these are actually not even like crappy truck manifolds. These are actually good style ones you would have got off like your 70s era small block. So we're gonna go ahead and take these off, put them away, and get these long tubes in just so we can get some better sound. And then I can get the exhaust done completely right, because right down there I've got something that I made work last year and I'm not too happy with it. And that right there is one of the main reasons, because that pipe, as you can see right there, is sticking out. It looks like crap. Whoever did the exhaust on this truck before made it work. I don't know what the hell they were thinking. We're gonna go ahead and finally fix it. Thankfully, I already had this truck apart last year. I tell you what, a couple signs of oil leaks I'm not a fan of. Have to fix some of those too as well, but at least we had the bolts off this before, so taking these manifold bolts should not be too much of a daunting task. I remember putting this on was a little bit of a pain, so that'll be all right for now. That's free. Get the other one off, and then we'll get the manifold off. Ta-da! Got him. This will come out easy from the top. Ooh. Ugh. Gotcha with the sacrifice of 2 spark plugs. Son of a... I tell you, boy. All right, manifold number 1 out. Good news. Engine running great. Bad news. Take spark plugs out, because I just sacrificed 2 to the gods. All right, moment of truth. To the bottom here. Hey, it fits. Heck yeah. All right. Put a couple bolts here just to hold it in place. I need some longer bolts, looks like. All right. $40 header number 1 seems to be a winner. If it sits, it fits. Heck yeah. I am A-okay with that. That fits pretty good. All the clearance. Heck yeah. $40 header number 1, done. Let's get to the other side. All right, other manifold is out. So moment of truth. Can we fit this header in? We're gonna go from the top. Maybe not. It's gonna go from the bottom. Survey says, yes, sir. All right. That's gonna work. Heck yeah. That's awesome. Man, that fitment's perfect. Look at that. Now I know I can take these out. I'm gonna be able to sandblast them and I'll get them Cerakoted. So I'm gonna have to make a bracket for the power steering one here, because this thing looks like it's supposed to sit on the block and it goes off of a bracket like that. So I'm gonna have to make some kind of spacer. I might use the factory one. We'll see. I can come up with that. That's easy. So I am freaking happy. These headers are gonna actually fit in the square body. That is perfect. So the $40 headers are gonna fit in the truck. Got to make a couple brackets. I'll show you guys. So for that power steering pump, I need to make that work off of I might put like a sleeve with a long bolt. That'll give me what I need to secure it so that the power steering's held correctly. And I'm gonna have to change the cross member. I'm gonna show you why. All right, so the biggest problem is the driver's side over there. Where that header's gonna come out, it's gonna run right into this cross member. This side may not be a problem too much, but I've got one of those cross members that gives you the 2 hoops. We're gonna actually go ahead and remove this and place that in there instead. I'm happy though, man. Look at that. These things are gonna fit perfect. $40 long tube headers are gonna fit great in the truck. I'm excited. All right, I've had this bad boy for a while too. This is another marketplace find. This is a cross member for square body. Who knows where it's made from? I think the box has it on here. JY Performance. Don't know if that's any good or not, but when I bought this cross member setup, I wanna say I paid like maybe 20 bucks for this. 20 bucks. But see, that'll give me the arches so we can get the exhaust all the way through for the square body. This is gonna be, it's gonna be better. This will work. Question is, how the hell does it install? I guess it just bolts in on the bottom. Over the top looks like. And then it comes with a mount too. How nice is that? Tranny mount also, that's pretty cool. Sweet. As you can see, that was one of the pipes. That thing looked horrendous, but everybody asked me the mufflers. So it looks like these are like Flowmasters. Possibly looks like Super 40s, but not sure. So I might reuse these mufflers, but I got an idea to use a different one. So throw some comments down below. What do you guys think I should do muffler wise? Stick with these here because the truck sounds really good with the mufflers that are on it. I want to do tailpipes because we end up having dumps on it in the meantime. So I would like to get tailpipes and put the exhaust coming right out the back of the truck there. That'd be the ideal for me. But I'm happy to say that these headers are gonna be freaking perfect. They sit a little bit on the lower side. Get the pipes, run them off of that, up along the frame. Long tubes do stick out, so I don't know. I think it'll be all right. 40 bucks for long tubes. It's gonna do the job. All right, let me get that one exhaust out and then we can figure out how the hell to get the other one out. Part of me wants to reuse these mufflers because it sounded good, but I got an idea to use maybe some, I don't know, neighbor haters maybe? Okay, definitely Flowmaster. Says it on there too, so that's awesome. I thought they were Flowmasters, but they had them upside down, so we might reuse these actually. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. All right. We'll cut that weld. Hey, gotcha. All right. It's pretty darn close. Give you that. You can see where this muffler was rubbing too. It used to rub on the dry shaft. All right. He's been on here a while, but they ain't got no noises. Oh yeah, no broken baffles. There it is. These are old Flowmasters too. These ain't the new ones. These are the good old style ones. Heck yeah. All right. Mufflers out. Now you guys can see what I'm talking about. So old school Flowmasters. Look at these nice booger welds. Not too bad. But this is actually, looks like 2 1/4 at least. Might be 2 1/2. But we're gonna change all this. We're not reusing that stuff. We'll probably cut, if we're gonna keep these mufflers, we'll cut them here where the well was. Probably just a hair back. Use the bandsaw for that. And we're gonna probably, if we reuse these mufflers or Black Widow neighbor haters. We had these stashed away from one of the project builds that we decided not to use them on. But I've like, I don't know, maybe Black Widows or Flowmasters. I don't know, man. This motor doesn't make a lot of power. It's just a cruiser. And I feel like the Black Widows, they're kind of noisy. They're full through. Like these things are, they sound great. When you got a high compression revving engine, they sound good. So, but I'm thinking like old school Flowmasters. So comment down below, guys. What do y'all want to see go in the truck? Because this video, we're going to at least get everything clean and prepped. I still got to Cerakote everything, but I want to know your opinions on what mufflers are going to look good or sound good in this truck, because these look pretty wicked. You can tell they've been used and run already, but I don't know. I'd like to know what you guys' take is. So at this point of the video, I'm going to go ahead and finish it out for you guys. I hope you enjoyed everything you've seen. So we're working on the square body. I've got a lot of stuff to get on this truck done because I've got the car show season's here, man. Spring is here and there's so many shows coming in, and I've got my Cutlass done already, which is great. The Super is another one that's finished, but the square body needs some love. We got a lot of car events to get to this year. I've got a couple in the summer lineup. We've got the C10 Revival later in the fall, and then again, we're going to the Outer Banks in November. So we're gonna get this truck sounding and running great. So thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and smash that like button. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe. It definitely helps me out, keeps the content going, and having you guys be here supporting me on the videos is a lifestyle. I appreciate all you guys. We're like at 2,600 plus subscribers, so it's awesome. Get on there, hit that like button, subscribe, because it keeps the videos into the algorithm, showing you guys, because people like to see videos on square bodies that are just average Joes just getting after it, and we drive them. I drive the crap out of this truck. You guys have seen all the videos on it, and I do not plan to not be driving this truck. So make sure you guys stick around. Next video you're gonna see, we're gonna have the Cerakote here. We're gonna sandblast the long tube headers that we got for 40 bucks. Cerakote them. I think I'm gonna go with a black on the Cerakote more than likely. Get those done. I've got some piping for it, and then with your guys' support, I want to know what mufflers we're going to run. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm going to see y'all on the next one.